Hey guys, this is Keerthan Bhat from Gadget Park and today we will see how can you connect your mobile phone as a webcam. Let's get started. To connect your phone as a webcam, we will be using an application called Webcam and this is available for Android, iOS as well as Windows. I will be using Android phone here and I'll be downloading the applications both for my computer as well as my Android device. Once the application is installed and set up, please make sure that both your computer and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The application will directly detect both the devices and connect it immediately. There is no complex procedure. If it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network, both your computer and your phone will connect automatically. This is completely wireless and if you want to connect it wired, you can do it through USB debugging. Once the devices are connected, you can go to the settings and see that you can set the resolution, frame rate, video quality and if you want the device, that is your phone, to capture the audio or not. You can use your phone's mic itself or you can just use a separate microphone. Connecting your phone to your PC as a webcam will help you to give better video quality and you can use it for video streaming, video recording or video conferencing. Just go to the Zoom app and select the camera as Webcam. In the free version there will be a watermark, but if you wanna get rid of it, you can just buy the paid version. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it, vote it down if you didn't, comment down your views and thoughts, subscribe for more such content. This is Keerthan Bhat signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now.